Welcome back to the Yummy Vibes. Today we are making a classic Indian favorite crispy masala ladyfinger or crispy masala bhindi. We begin by taking fresh ladyfinger and washing it thoroughly, pour water over it and rub gently. Then place it in a large strainer to drain the excess water. Once drained, spread it over a clean towel or cloth and pat dry thoroughly. Next we cut the ladyfinger. Here is a small but important tip. Don't cut it too shallow. The cut should be deep enough so that you can clearly see the internal holes of the ladyfinger. If you cut it too lightly, it won't cook well and may turn slimy. Now remove the top cap and the tail for each ladyfinger. Once trimmed, cut it into medium sized pieces, not too thin, not too thick. Also, if you come across any ladyfinger that looks blackish or has discoloration inside, discard it. It might be spoiled and it is not safe to eat. Now let's cook. In a pan, heat about 2 ladles, approximately 3 to 4 tablespoons of mustard oil. Once the oil is hot and smoky, add 6 to 7 green chillies, but make sure to slit them first. This prevents them from bursting and keeping it safe while adding a nice flavor. Next, add in all the cut ladyfinger and stir well. Keep the flame high at this stage and stir regularly so it doesn't stick to the pan. After a few minutes, you will notice a web-like thread forming. This is your cue to turn the flame to low and let it cook gently so it loses that sliminess. Now it's time to add the spices. Add a pinch of hing followed by salt, red chili powder, turmeric, Kashmiri red chili powder, coriander powder and a dash of amchur, dry mango powder. Mix everything thoroughly so that the ladyfinger is evenly coated. Let it continue on low flame, stirring occasionally. Once you see it's nearly cooked and the ladyfinger looks soft but not soggy, increase the flame high again to give it that final crispy texture. You will hear the beautiful sizzling sound. That's when you know you're close. Finally, add some garam masala, give it one last mix and your crispy masala bhindi is ready. Just look at that. It's beautifully golden, slightly crispy and coated in all those rich Indian spices. I'm pairing it today with our spicy onion chutney and soft flaky lachha paratha, a classic comforting combo that never disappoints. And yes, if you want the chutney recipe, just drop a comment below and I'll share it with you. Just look at those beautiful layers of the paratha. If you'd like to learn how to make authentic flaky Punjabi lachha paratha at home, let me know in the comment section below and we'll make a video on that. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Yummy Vibes for more home style, flavorful, interesting and yummy cooking. See you next time.